To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Pro XD full-size diesel, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park. Pull the parking brake and remove the key. Then clean the area around the clutch cover with a clean shop towel. Next, remove and retain the 9 fasteners securing the clutch cover. After this, carefully pull the clutch cover forward and slide towards the front of the vehicle to remove. Next, rotate the clutch cover back and lift up over the control arm mounting. Use care when lifting the clutch cover upwards. Do not damage the cover, intake boot, or electrical harness. Then inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Before continuing, take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Next, insert the clutch spreader tool into the threaded hole on the driven clutch. Turn the spreader clockwise to spread the clutch. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, thin spots, or excessive wear. Replace if needed to eliminate noise, vibration, or erratic PVT operation. Next, clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Ensure the belt is installed in the same direction it was removed. With the clutch spreader tool installed, loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin working it over the driven clutch. Then rotate the driven clutch and walk the belt into the clutch. Now, remove the clutch spreader tool from the driven clutch. Then, rotate the driven clutch and belt approximately 5 to 7 times to properly seat the belt into the driven clutch. Now, install the clutch cover into the wheel well by rotating the clutch cover over the A-arm. Use care not to damage the intake boots or electrical harness. Next, pull the clutch cover backwards and align with the bolt holes on the inner clutch cover. Now, install the 9 retain cover fasteners and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.